Hi guys, another new toy today. It's the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. I thought I'd give it a try. I'm still using a GoPro Hero 8. So I thought this looks quite amazing, to be honest. It's got a few nice little touches to it. I just noticed on the bottom of the box there's a complimentary card as well. I mean, whether it's much use or not, it's 32GB, but it's better than nothing, free. Yeah. And let's have a look at that. Let's have a look. Strange, thin, flimsy paper, but I suppose it's all it needs really, nothing. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, more boys' toys. Yeah. Yeah, so it comes with a Volt stick, whatever you want to call it. Hero Black, the medium mod, which is quite handy, which I've been looking forward to using, and the light mod, which I don't think is I'm going to get much use out of that, but we'll see anyway. Yeah, it looks interesting. So have a look at that. Let's carry on. Oh, that's actually quite nice. Nice little handle. By the way, it was actually good value, this. As long as you subscribe, which is probably worth it anyway, because you're getting like unlimited uploads. It's like just short of £50 a year. As long as you subscribe for the first year, you get a massive discount on this, and it's definitely worth it in my opinion. Right? Well, I think it will be. Right. Create Edition must be updated before you can use it. Well, that's obvious. I think everything does these days. That's nice. Yeah, that looks nice. Right, let's have a little look at. So, this is the Volta. Yeah, it feels nice. That I wasn't expecting it to be metal, to be honest. It's yeah, this is metal. I thought it was going to be plastic. No one ever tells you that, do they really? But they're plastic, like. But that's cool. It's metal. Yeah, it's metal. That. Yeah. I think this gives something like another. Is it 2 or 3 times the battery power as well? So it's quite handy. It's obviously got the buttons on there for record and mode and, you know, bits and bobs. So it's quite nice actually, that. Yeah, that's good. What we've got here? Oh, this is the battery. This is the new endurance battery, isn't it? Or endurer, as they call it, something like that. Ah, it feels a bit heavier than that, than the 8. Yeah, it feels good. Well, the battery. This, I don't think I'm going to be using. Oh, we've got juice in it as well. Dear God, I'll tell you one thing, that's actually quite bright. Yeah, that's dear me, that is, yeah. Oh, it gets brighter. And again, we've got a flash. So 3 brightness settings and a flash. Yeah, so hold it and it powers it down, which is normal for anything these days, isn't it, I think. Yeah, so that's that. I'll use the GoPro. Let's have a look at this. Now, this is actually a nice upgrade from me, because I've never had a GoPro with a front-facing camera, so that's going to be... Hang on a minute, I've got something else here, actually, the media mod. I nearly forgot about that. This is the most important bit, because I want to use a Rode mic on this. I'm unsure what this mic is like, but I dare say it's probably better than what's in it. But like I said, to be honest, I'm wanting to use an off-board mic, probably a Rode NTG, I think. Oh. Yeah, it's actually got some good connectivity in there. See? Yeah. It's got a shoe on the side, one on the top. Yeah, it feels good. I know, that pulls down. We'll have a look at the instructions later. Why does it click up? Anyway, we'll get to that later on. We'll have a little read. That feels good. Yeah, like I say, I like the way it's got a shoe on the side. Well, this was one of the things that surprised me actually when I noticed, when I watched the video, this little doofery thing on the back now, that just pops out there. Can you see there? So you can just clip on wherever. I thought that was quite handy, that. Nice little shoe. Or should I say the GoPro usual mount. Oh, you just press it down, it goes back in. That is well built, that, like. Oh, we're going underneath here. Hang on a minute, we found something else here. Hang on. Oh, USB-C. See? I'm just wondering if you can charge anything off in there, if it's just like a battery bank, basically. I suppose it is, but again, we'll have another read up. I haven't really done much research on it. I just thought I'd just try one, but I'll have a read later. Yeah, that feels good, that. Anyway, let's get back to this camera. Before I bore you to tears off, I run out of memory, which I did actually last week when I was messing about. Yeah, feels good. Again, it's very similar to the 8 really. It's just got a nice touch, the added touch of being able to remove the lens, I suppose, is a bit better, and obviously it's got a screen on the front, but obviously it doesn't end there. The Hyper Smooth 5 looks great. I mean, you can literally spin this damn thing 360 and it'll actually stay completely level. Well, that's the plan anyway. And some of the ratios are really good on it as well, which that caught me attention as well. So, but yeah, yeah, it looks all good. Is there anything else in there that I might have missed out? Oh, dear me, hang on a minute. That's like a big lump of cardboard really, which is a bit of a waste. But in here, all right, this is interesting. Couple of shoe mounts. Obviously that's a wind cover for the mic. Couple of USB-Cs to, yeah. I'm not sure what that is there, these clips here. They're probably for the mic or something then, I think. Yeah, it looks like it's for the mic. Another little doofer here. Oh, I haven't got a clue what that's for, but we'll have a look anyway. Oh, sorry, I think I know what that's for. I think that's to replace the cover on the side of the GoPro, maybe, but it's, yeah. It's pretty neat actually. The box is really nice. I'm just thinking there. Yeah, no, you won't need any cardboard in there once you've got it all together. I suppose. But yeah, it's a nice case. I mean, a few people were saying that the case was hopeless, but to me, it feels good. It's got a little handle on it. It's solid enough. I mean, what more do you really want? Maybe it's a bit big for what this is, but I think it'll do the job, to be honest. Get a few other bits in there while you're at it. But yeah, this looks good. Yeah, it does. Anyway, that's unboxing. There's nothing really much more to say, which you probably haven't seen before, really. It's only just turned up today. I would have done it earlier, but I think there's been a bit of either a shortage on these, or people have been rushing out to buy them or whatever, you know, so there was a bit of a delay in getting it really, but I think that's, I wonder if that's mics on the bottom, can you see there? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Anyway, we'll give it a go, and again, I will catch up shortly with everything, and I'll let you know how it works out. Yeah, that's looks good. Looks good. So we'll be in touch later and see how it goes. I'll have a mess about, a bit of editing once I get the hang of that, which is I've been messing about with a few bits and bobs, but it isn't the easiest of tasks. But yeah, we'll get there with it. So that's the unboxing done, and that's 10 minutes of boring your socks off, and we'll be back again later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you wouldn't mind, and even like if you wouldn't mind. And thanks a lot, and catch you later.